Once upon a time, I was finding it difficult to get a very tasty chicken or even beef. As time goes by, it got better. In today's video, I want to show you how you can get your chicken to be very tasty. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe, comment, like and share. Kindly keep watching.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.